Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Lenovo TAB for 8. First of all, open Play Store on both devices, click on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Now install this app from this developer and open it. Here you need to choose I accept, confirm and continue, then allow. Now do exactly the same on Lenovo. Choose send on an Android. And receive on Lenovo. Following that, you can finally click on all of those type of dots and choose send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a lot of time though, so I will go with only these 2 photos. Choose send and tap on got it. As you can see from here, we have 2 connection ways. We can input this key here and then tap on receive or scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, click on this scanning icon on Lenovo, then choose allow and point your camera at the code. Then wait. And now, as you can see, my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!